Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. As you know, I have started tutorial for the .NET MAUI, and I have explained many things in .NET MAUI, that what is the difference between Xamarin and .NET MAUI, and the XAML definition in MAUI. And another thing that controls and the UI creation will be same as Xamarin. The UI designing UI in Xamarin and .NET MAUI are most of them are similar. A little bit are different, but you can use the all the UI design style of Xamarin in the MAUI. So and all the controls are available. Controls of Xamarin are available in .NET now. So I'm not creating video for all of them. If you want to learn about the controls and the UI design, you can go through my previous videos. Here I have defined con all the videos and all the videos for the controls and the many of the UI designs are available here. I have explained briefly. You can see all the UI designs are here. Many will be useful of them, and you can get code from this block. Okay, we can just use code from this block, so all the UI will be available here. uh, so you so I'm not creating video for the controls and the UI design, but we will learn new UI design in .NET more. Okay, so we will also learn the what is the difference between uh, technique. What is the difference technique of creating between Xamarin and the .NET More, because in Xamarin there are three projects, so all the dependency we have to add, but in .NET More we don't have to add any dependency in multiple projects. We have only one project. So we will learn that how all the things, how files are managed, how files we have to add in the Android 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 image files and iOS image files in the .NET MAUI in the one project. Okay, so we will learn today. We will learn how to implement animation in .NET MAUI. Okay, so for animation, I'm using Lottie. Uh, you can mm, you can search Lottie in Google. You will get first link Lottie. So you can search any animation from here, like example progressing. Okay, Pros okay. So progressing, it will give many animations in there. You can use any of them, what whichever you like. Okay, so if I taking this, you have to use JSON file. Okay, so click on download, click on this JSON file be downloaded. Okay, or else you can also create a new Lotify of your own. Many videos will be available in YouTube how to create a new animation in Lottie. So you can create animations by your own and download the JSON from it. Okay, so we will use JSON um, to show the animation on the page. Okay, for that, first of all we have to add a nugget. So right click on the project, manage nugget. So here is only one project, so we have to install only this project. So it is installed in my uh, in my project, so it will show this. you have to install this one. I will show you. Okay, this you have to install, and make sure this should be a check. Okay, if this is unchecked, you will not find that package. You have to use include pre-release and click on it. I am using preview 59. Okay, and install this in your project. After that, you have to just write this code. Okay, first of all, you have to add namespace for the sky sharp here, uh, and use this code. This is repeat count. Repeat count is equal to -1, means it will repeat infinitely. If you write 5, it will repeat for 5 times. If you write 0, then it will repeat for once, then it will stop. Okay, another in this MAUI program, you have to initialize by using this method dot use sharp, and you have to use this namespace sharp use mau dot control dot hosting. Okay, now how to add JSON file, and we have to add, just go to resource raw, right click, add existing item, and choose and select that JSON file. Okay, so JSON file will be added in the raw folder. So this JSON file will be used in this Lottie view. Okay, so we will run this one. It will take a little time, so I will come after running. Okay, uh, you can see that Lottie animation is added here. So in this way you can add Lottie animation. If you add this control, it can be work on all all of the device, Windows machines, and Android and the iOS. So you have to add only one file in the raw folder. Okay. So I hope you understand uh, this animation, how to implement this animation. So please click on the like button, and please subscribe my channel, and please share this video to your friends. Thank you.